You are about to watch how I do my pedicure. Guys, there are ways to do your pedicure. This is for leg. Everybody, una remember this our stone where we dey use for Nigeria now. You can use it to wash your barefoot. This one too. This one, the difference is say this one one be like sandpaper, and you can't get this one to take scrub down of the leg. Both this one you can see and buy. This one buy for Chinese €1. This one for internet. This one for Nigeria. And I just dey come back for vacation now. Enough vacation when I go, man. I can't tire. You know, say for near river na barefoot. If you want really enjoy us, we go vacation barefoot. Now you take the waka for that near river. And near river na salt full am. So it go come down of your foot go come re damage well. So as I reach house now, I want to do my pedicure, my leg under my foot. Before now, these ones I dey use, all these ones, but now I don't upgrade. Now just this small thing now go put for water. The water go come be, it go come warm. The water don already feel warm. I warm the water, I pour and put. Then when I pour and put, I boil the water small, I come pour and put. Then I want to put my legs inside at least for 20 minutes. Now see this place, now this still like this kind stone 9 day here. And I go comot am. I fit put this one. I fit comot this one. I go put this one. Shey you see am. So if you get this kind thing for us, you fit use am walk, especially this our barefoot for people. Yes, €20. Even this one sef na still scraping of the leg. So what did this machine they do? It dey massage. See am? Oh Jesus! You see the way they massage? It dey vibra. It dey vibra your leg. So what I go do now? If you look the water, it dey vibra. I go put small of this thing. The odor be like mental. The scent be like mental. You fit do one like this. See another way again. See the vibration. Oh God! If you do am again, see another way. If you go store, they dey spend money to do one well. But if you get am for us, you fit do one. So right now, I never put anything. I want you to put this magic tablet. Shey you see the phone? Shey you see am? It don dey melt. It dey melt by itself. It don dey foam. So I don put the water. Everything go come mix. Now me to just put my leg. Now, if you hear the scent where they come outside, see am? I go put my leg. Dey here for some time. As I dey tell una, this thing as e dey here so, you fit dey scrub your leg. See am? Feel free. But you see am, I dey use this machine for my ass for customer. But as now, na my leg I dey do so. I fit comot this one. I fit put this one. All of them, they massage legs. Yeah. Just look at. I go there here for some minutes. Then I could come out, make it soften the leg. Then if I come out, I not use all these ones again because I dey use them sometimes for playing. But since I can't know about these tablets, go on and see. So somebody introduce them to me. Now that one come the buy the use now. If I told you no get this machine, you feel use on your rainbow. Because we women down of our leg. Oh, Jesus Christ. But me, if I dey house, I dey always wear slippers. I no dey gree. Now that time when we dey Nigeria, now they use down of barefoot dey waka. Now no dey use barefoot again. I must wear my slippers. And I dey tell my children, wear your slippers quickly because to save their barefoot. So when I don carry this leg come outside now, I will come dey scrub am. I go even without scrubbing it, that thing wey you put don solve the leg. So you go see all the upcoming video before and after. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and more na no forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now where we for dey do talk am as e be about life stories, especially about my life stories. You go learn more. You go take the one wey belongs to you and leave the rest. But more na no forget say somebody you learn from people mistake so that you no fall put. So more na subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then you go leave the notification bell. Anytime I upload new video, now you go be the first person to get am. And inside this video, una try finish am because una go see all the work when I don do for this year as a whole. When they come, so you go this year as a whole, I do many nails. So una go see all the, and you will now go tell me the one I like pass. Thank you for watching. Joyful baby care. I love you all. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me with your subscribe and support me by watching my video. Thanks. Now go learn better thing for this place. This na the place where they do Joyful baby care. This na the place where I go still teach you how to take care of una face when wrinkle no go quick come, dark spot no go quick come. This na the place where I go teach you how to take care of your body. You no go too fat, slimness go come. This na the place when I go teach you how to take care of una natural hair, because me, I dey dwell in natural things. Bye bye. Joyful. And no forget to subscribe and leave my like. Mona leave my like. Just click back like on the notification bell. Share it to your friend. Feel free to do it. You will learn more. And very soon we go soon put am for you for my Facebook. All the nails one I don do, now go bring her to me make I see. Na there I want for call result. Bye bye. We still dey for this leg matter. Now I don wash the leg, so I can't leave the water. Even the water, you know, dirty. My husband can still put leg. Most of all now our husband leg even worse pass our own leg. Even my senior son where they do sport, he go still put leg for this water. So I go wash everybody on today. Now I want comot. You see this thing now, moisturize the right put, you no go fit see am, don dey clean see am. I go come put am for all my nails because I want comot the bad and the deaded ones. Just like this. You put am for the edges, all the edges, so that when you go dey comot the deaded skin, when e dey around, e go let you comot am well. Now I will come use this thing take comot the dead one around here like this. If you wash this thing, you go see am say I don already dey comot the dead skin when e dey here. See am? Now so I go do the whole leg. I go come use this oil massage am, then I will come put my cutters. Stay and wash o. So I don finish clean the leg. You know say na summer dey still dey. I got to put cutters when sharp. The one wey sharp well well. So I go first put these bars. These bars na still treatment o. When e go make the thing, the nails still strong, because me I dey keep my natural nails. After I put the bars, I will come choose one of all this color when I will put for my leg, because leg you go let the color pronounce when you wear onyare pants, slippers or anything. Now your leg they go they see. Then after I put down, I'll come put any color. Then I'll come put this top cut to take protector, because this one all this one are normal cutters. If you look, I get enough of cutters here. Here is full of cutters, because I know they take cutters they play. I dey take care of myself from my head to toes. My lady, Mona they take care of myself. If you not get that time dey. Now you go just create time for yourself. The time when you go to the do some kind things where no dey necessary, just sit down, they do yourself, your nails, your hand, your face. You know, say all these things na therapy. When you go sit down, they do, your brain go just dey there. You go concentrate. You go dey think on wetin dey your mind, and dey think of the design where you want to do. All these things are still part of the business when I dey do for us. As a lady, I don't first talk of am. I still dey talk am again. Excuse me. I challenge every woman, no matter the work when you dey do, even when you know the work, you be single mother, you be single lady, find something to do. Don't rely on somebody. Get where it come for the answer. Oh man, you go see your way where you take the laugh alone self, it will change. So make I start my work. This one when I dey do now myself I dey do, not be client. Because if na person I dey do, I no go video like this. Now my own self now I dey do.